Inside this modern factory, a remarkable material journey begins with one of nature's most distinctive structures. The horn material will eventually become the foundation for premium decorative products. Before any material enters production, the facility carefully separates inspection from processing. The first stage is identification, inspection, and preparation of the horn material used later in the production line. Every natural horn carries its own pattern, density, and character. The factory begins with careful inspection before any shaping or finishing takes place. Shape and thickness determine which production route each piece will follow. Sorting creates consistency while preserving the natural character of the material. The selected material is thoroughly cleaned before precision shaping begins. Controlled cleaning prepares the surface for accurate inspection and machining.
Once cleaned, the material reveals its natural structure much more clearly.
Controlled drying stabilizes the material before cutting and forming. Curvature becomes important when the material is prepared for premium decorative surfaces.
Automated handling improves consistency while reducing unnecessary manual movement.
The next stage transforms irregular natural material into precise, workable sections. Precision cutting creates stable sections suitable for further forming.
The cut reveals a completely different interior texture.
Grinding gradually refines the rough edges without erasing the material's natural identity. Surface refinement begins to reveal the luxury potential hidden inside the raw material. Under controlled light, the natural surface becomes a visual signature rather than a defect. Conditioning allows the prepared material to stabilize before precision forming.
Consistent thickness is essential when natural material becomes a structural component.
Computer-guided machining brings repeatable geometry to a naturally irregular material. Digital precision allows the factory to shape natural material into exact components. Each finished component now has the geometry required for assembly. Hand finishing gives each component the final tactile refinement.
The surface now moves from functional machining toward luxury finishing.
No two pieces carry exactly the same natural pattern.
The horn material now enters a second world of craftsmanship: luxury leather goods.
Premium leather form the main body, while horn becomes a distinctive structural and decorative element. Every panel begins with a precise outline designed for later assembly. The parts are organized so every component reaches the assembly line in the correct sequence. Accurate stitch placement determines both strength and visual symmetry. Industrial stitching joins the leather panels while preserving the clean geometry of the design. Every seam is inspected before the shell moves to structural assembly.
The flexible leather is gradually formed around the structure that gives the backpack its shape. Different specialists handle different stages, so precision can be maintained throughout the build. The horn accent is positioned where its natural pattern becomes part of the design. Secure mounting transforms the polished horn from a separate component into part of the finished product. The raw material has now become a recognizable luxury object. Craftsmanship is measured in the details that remain nearly invisible from a distance.
Dimensional inspection confirms that every structural element sits within the required tolerances. Durability testing checks the points that experience repeated movement.
Moving hardware is tested repeatedly for smooth and reliable operation.
Natural variation makes every finished piece visually distinct.
Edge finishing creates the refined, tactile quality expected from premium leather goods.
The final polish turns the natural surface into a visual centerpiece. Final cleaning prepares the product for its last inspection. The same natural material can now be transformed into a much smaller precision product.
Small-scale products demand even tighter dimensional control. Computer-guided cutting creates the exact outline required for a modern phone case. Even at miniature scale, the natural pattern remains the defining feature. Small edges require slow, controlled finishing to achieve a refined feel. The polished surface begins to resemble a miniature piece of natural sculpture.
Alignment is critical because even a tiny shift can affect the final fit.
Hidden structural bonding keeps the exterior clean while securing the natural panel.
Controlled curing gives the bond time to stabilize before final finishing.
The cured assembly is checked for fit, edge consistency, and surface quality. Automated finishing creates a consistent edge around the compact product.
At this stage, the material's natural variation becomes part of the finished identity.
Two very different products now share the same carefully prepared natural material.
Scale changes dramatically, but the character of the material remains recognizable.
The larger product is now ready for final visual inspection.
Inspectors look for a consistent finish while preserving the natural pattern.
Controlled loading confirms the strength of the finished construction.
Precision fit matters most where natural material meets modern electronics.
Repeated movement tests the resilience of the assembled case. Multiple angles of light reveal imperfections invisible under ordinary illumination. Minor finishing corrections are handled by hand.
Multiple vriendtuks infringration. The production journey is nearing its final stage. Luxury finishing depends on how natural materials behave under light and touch.
Uniform stitching creates both strength and visual precision.
Every functional fitting is tested alongside the decorative surfaces. The transformation is now visible from raw natural material to finished luxury design.
The natural pattern becomes the centerpiece of the smaller design.
Behind every finished object is a carefully controlled chain of preparation, machining, craftsmanship, and inspection. Digital design provides the geometry, while the natural material provides the variation. Once approved, the products leave manufacturing and enter protective packaging. Protective packaging prevents polished surfaces from contacting rough materials during transport. Small premium products require equally careful protection. Packaging converts careful finished products into transport-ready goods. Automated sealing creates a clean and secure final package. The final stage inside the factory is organized logistics.
Every finished product waits in controlled storage before leaving the facility.
Even after manufacturing, packaging quality remains part of the final inspection.
The factory journey ends where the distribution journey begins. Careful handling continues through the final transfer.
Protective spacing keeps finished surfaces isolated during transport.
What began as carefully prepared natural material has completed its factory journey.
The story is not simply about manufacturing, but about transforming natural variation into controlled design. Light reveals layers of character that cannot be manufactured artificially. The finish is clean, the alignment is precise, and the natural pattern remains visible. Everything is within the final inspection range.
Different products can share one material story without looking identical.
Natural variation gives each finished case a character of its own.
The final display makes the transformation easy to see.
Luxury emerges where contrasting natural textures meet precise craftsmanship. Precision engineering gives the natural surface a modern, functional form.
From large, structured leather goods to compact technology accessories, the material has taken two very different forms.
The finished structure must feel balanced as well as visually refined.
Function is tested without compromising the natural decorative surface. Hundreds of small, controlled actions connect the raw material to the finished object. The material moves through the factory only after each stage has been completed.
Careful handling protects the finish even between workstations.
The final surface still carries the visual memory of its natural origin. A controlled factory environment also depends on disciplined cleanliness. Modern quality control combines skilled eyes with precise imaging.
At the end of the line, every detail comes together.
Quality inspection continues inside the product, not only on its exterior. The hidden side must be as controlled as the visible side.
These are ready for final packaging.
The visible craftsmanship is protected for the journey beyond the factory. The smaller product receives the same careful protection. The production cycle is complete. Every finished product carries a hidden journey through dozens of controlled stages. From natural texture to precision design, every stage changes the material without erasing its identity. One material, two luxury forms, connected by the same production journey. The final products reveal how natural material and modern craftsmanship can coexist. What began as carefully prepared natural horn has become a pair of refined contemporary products. Behind every polished surface is a complete chain of inspection, precision, craftsmanship, and care. From natural horn to finished luxury, the transformation is complete.